In this video, learn how you can remove or eject your external drive from your Windows 11 machine. Let's dive in. Hello, my name is Edmond Sakwade. Are you wondering how you can remove your external drive from your Windows 11 machine? Using Windows 11 machine is easy to remove your external drive from your Windows 11 machine. So to start, if you are new to this channel and you are not yet subscribed, then click on the subscribe button and tap on the bell icon so that you do not miss our next video. On the taskbar, you click on File Explorer. A window will pop up. On your left panel, you click on this PC. Here you will find all the drive connected to your Windows 11 machine. So this is my external drive. So to eject or remove from my Windows 11 machine, on the taskbar you'll find an icon. This will allow you or help you to eject from your Windows 11. Click on the icon, then click on eject to remove your external drive from your Windows 11 machine. Thank you. Like, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Tap the bell icon so that you do not miss our next video.